Each chip is meticulously installed, connecting circuits that will power the entire system. Next, the motherboard forms the foundation of the desktop city, securing pathways for energy and data alike. Even the brain of the machine requires careful handling. Our miniature workers place the processor with exact precision. Memory and storage come together piece by piece, giving the machine its strength and speed. To keep the heart of the system cool, our tiny engineers install a mighty cooling system with precision. Cables and connections weave through the machine like streets in a miniature city, bringing life to every corner. Finally, the structure is enclosed, protecting the intricate inner world our workers have built.
With a flick of a switch, their masterpiece awakens, a fully functioning computer, built with care by the smallest hands.